In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 of the best ways that you can make money in 2022 without a job. Now, the best part about these 4 methods is you can get started right away and you don't have to leave the comfort of your own home. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, you want to start making some money and you don't have a job, so you're probably looking for some ways to make money relatively quick. Now, in this video, I'm going to help you with 4 of the best ways that you can make money online by the end of this month. So the best part about these methods, as I mentioned, is you don't have to leave your house. You can get started today and potentially start seeing some income by the end of this week if you do it correctly. So let's go ahead and get into the first way. Now, the first way that you can make money online by the end of this week is simply by selling your knowledge. Now, believe it or not, you are an expert in something. Do I know what that thing is? Of course not, but everyone is an expert in something, and you can package that up and sell it. For example, if we take a look at my screen here, this is a website called Udemy. This is a website that you can go to create and sell courses. Now, the great thing with Udemy is A, you can create and sell a course about anything, and B, you don't need to have a degree or you don't need to really even have experience. You just have to have the want to, the energy, the know-how to create a course. So if we look at this, for example, if we just type in NFT, you can see here that people are creating courses about NFTs. And if we take a look at this top one here, this top one has over 5,000 ratings. So they probably have almost 26,000 students. And if we did the math, let's assume that each student paid $9.99. We could take 26,000 and multiply it by $9.99, and you'd be looking at $259,000. Now, when you use a platform like Udemy, you're going to have to split the revenue. So you're most likely going to be looking at about $130,000 based on this course, and you can create an infinite amount of courses. Now, you don't just have to create courses. You can create something called PLR, or private label rights products. Basically, those are ebooks or different guides that you can package them up and sell. For example, you can use a website like Quality PLR like this, and you can actually make quality PLRs and sell them. Now, the great thing with creating quality PLRs or private label rights products is you make the ebook or guide or video training, whatever it is, you make it once, and marketers are going to come to this website and they're going to buy again and again and again. And you can do this for a variety of niches. You can also create a podcast, you can create audiobooks, you can create all sorts of stuff and potentially start making money by the end of this week. Now, if you look at this website, you can see there are PLR videos, there are ebooks, there are articles, there's lead magnets, there's all sorts of stuff that you could create and potentially start making money, and you don't have to leave home. Now, once again, you don't need to be an expert in your field. You just have to go out and be willing to do research on these different markets or products, and you can make money. So either you can make money with private label rights products or even creating a course. But the biggest one, the most profitable one, is simply going to be selling your knowledge, your experience, and your skills. And you can do that in a variety of ways. So that's number 1. Number 2 is actually with something called Google Adsense. Now, believe it or not, Google Adsense, which is obviously a part of Google, will pay you for your content. Now, what does that mean? You can start a blog in a variety of niches, or you can even start a YouTube channel. Or you could do both. If you're at home and you have a bunch of free time, you can start a YouTube channel or a blog and get paid. Now, if we jump over to my blog, alstongodbolt.com, I receive some money, not a ton in the beginning, when people view and click on the ads that show up. So if you look here at the bottom of this page, this is an ad. If someone were to click on this, I can earn some money. But this is just one way that you can make money from your blog. We'll talk about more in just a moment, but you can see that if we scroll through, you can see these ads right here. People click on these ads and make money. Another way that you can make money with Google AdSense is with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, YouTube Partner Program will pay YouTubers if you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers and your content is safe for work for the most part. Now, the cool thing with YouTube is literally everything's a niche. You can type in something like NFT, you can type in your interest and hobby, and there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that are looking for the same thing. Now, I accidentally just typed in FFT. I have no idea what it is, but you can see the top result here has 975,000 views from a year ago. There are thousands of people that are interested in all sorts of things. So if there is something that you have knowledge, skills, and background in, you just type it into the search bar and there will be at least hundreds of thousands of people that are interested in the same thing. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to do a little bit of research, figure out what your customers or potential target audience want to know, and you're going to create content. For example, if I just typed in like how to start a blog like this, let's say you have a background in starting a blog, you teach people how to start a blog step by step. And if we look here, top result, 981,000 views from a year ago. The one below it, 194,000 views from 2 years ago. And they make money when someone clicks on these videos and watches an ad and clicks on the ad that pop up in the beginning, middle, and end. And this again is called the YouTube Partner Program. Now, the cool thing is when you start with YouTube and even start with selling your knowledge, you can start 100% for free. You can start creating with your smartphone. If you have a webcam, you can start wherever you are. You don't have to invest any money up front, but I recommend that you reinvest after you start making some money. But again, you can either start a blog and get paid with Google AdSense, or you can get paid with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, you'll get paid once you hit the 4,000 and 1,000. You'll get paid about the 21st of every month. So depending on when you get started and when you get monetized, you might see a little delay. However, we have a way around that. One way that you can make money, one cool way, is simply with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is just recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now that we're here on how to start a blog, one of the things that people need to start a blog or website is web hosting. Now, you can be an affiliate for a large, well-known company like Bluehost. What you're going to do is you're going to go to bluehost.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click on affiliates. When you click on affiliates, they'll let you sign up for free, and you're simply going to promote Bluehost as a platform. You're going to put your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube videos or even your blog, and when people click on that affiliate link and purchase Bluehost, you get paid a commission. So you can actually make money in a few different ways. Let me line this up for you. You start a YouTube channel and you get 4,000, 1,000. You get paid by YouTube. You can be an affiliate for Bluehost. They click on your affiliate links and purchase, you get paid a commission. You could even start a course showing people how to do something in WordPress. For example, if we type in WordPress like this, and as you can see, this is slowly building into a 6 or even 7-figure business. Now look at this, WordPress for beginners. You create a course where you sell them WordPress for beginners. You put a link to this course in the description of your videos along with Bluehost. You can make money. And oh, by the way, there are other opportunities that you can make money with showing people how to start a blog, but this works for literally any niche. Now we could come here and say we could start with a Fortnite like this. We just typed in Fortnite, and you could create content about Fortnite and make money just like I've showed you. We could start a YouTube channel, which is free, and we could make money when we reach 4,000, 1,000. And then we could be an affiliate with Amazon for different products. We could go to Amazon.com and go down and click on Become an Affiliate. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you're going to see Become an Affiliate like this. You sign up to become an affiliate. It is free, and you'll get paid if someone clicks on your affiliate links and makes a purchase. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what type of products should you recommend? Well, think about the products that someone's going to be interested in if they're playing Fortnite. Maybe a gaming controller or something for your PC. You could be an affiliate for different gaming chairs, laptops, all sorts of stuff. And when people click on these links, you can make money. And then if we come over here, you could create a course of Fortnite like this. You could create a Fortnite course for people that want additional help. So if we take a look, I typed in Fortnite, and let's see, I don't see any, but you could do a few different things here. You could either create a course on Fortnite, or you could actually start something called a Patreon. Now, a Patreon is a platform where you can offer additional access to your subscribers. So if we just type in Patreon like this, you can charge people on a monthly basis to be a part of your Let's Plays, or you can have a Thursday game night. You can see here, start a Patreon, charge people as little as $5 per month to join your tribe. You can also sell a digital product showing people how to beat a certain part of Fortnite or how to make your own skins. If we come back over here, I want to see if I spelled Fortnite correctly, because there should be a few. I'm surprised there aren't more, but so we typed in Fortnite once again. Maybe I just spelled it wrong, but we typed in Fortnite, and you can see the top result here, $11.99. There are 79 reviews, 136 reviews. So let's take a look here that someone is making money simply by creating a course in Fortnite, and it can be literally anything. There are 471 students. If we did the math, we did 471, and we multiplied that by 9. Whoops. Let's do 471. And we multiply that by 999. Let's try this one more time. 471 multiplied by 999, just like that. You're looking at $4,000. Now, again, you're going to do a revenue split, and you'll probably make close to $2,300, but this is all passive. You set this up once, and people are going to come to it again and again and again. Oh, by the way, this is only an hour-and-a-half course. So if you have 2 hours to kill, you create a course based on what you know, and then you can actually promote it using your YouTube channel. So let me just run through this once again. You can work backwards. You figure out something that you're an expert in, and you start by creating a course. You can create a 2-hour course. You can post on Udemy, or you could host it yourself. Then you go over to YouTube, do a little bit of research, figure out what your target audience wants to know, create content based on what they want to know. And then you can put your affiliate links in the description of your video. You can also put a link to your course, and as you gain more followers and subscribers, people are going to click on these links and make a purchase. Now, once again, you could take this course and even wrap it up and sell it over here on qualityplr.com as well. You can also start a Patreon, as I mentioned. And the final way that you can make money, and it's really easy, really simple, is by selling merch. Now, look at this. If we go over to teespring.com, this is a store where you can sell merch. Now, the great thing with this print-on-demand shop is that you just put on your logos and your different ideas, your funny text. People put on like, "That's what she said," things like that. You put it on here, and then you could put a link to your merch store in your YouTube channel, and again on your course. People, as you gain more followers and subscribers, will start to buy your stuff. So as you can see, we can quickly see how we can build out a 6-figure income simply by creating content, and you don't need to have a job. Now, you can start making money in the near term. You will obviously make more money the longer you continue on. But if you're looking to make as little as $100 per week and build that up to 6 figures per year, this is definitely the way to go. Figure out what you want to create, what type of course you want to create. You can take a look at the courses that are over here, look at the different categories, look and see what's popular, and then figure out from there. You can create content over on YouTube and then work backwards. And again, there are hundreds of thousands of courses on every single topic. If you know anything about anything, if you're willing to learn anything about anything, there is an opportunity to make money. Look at this: Microsoft Excel, how to create an empire on Airbnb, how to understand TypeScript, which is a programming language, blockchain. If you know anything about NFT gaming, we could type in NFT gaming, and then you could come over here and you could type in like how to create or make, how to create a NFT game, or you can create content on how to create NFTs, and then link them over here. And then you could also link them to different tools that they need. For example, if they're creating an NFT, they may need something like Adobe Photoshop, which also has an affiliate program. So you can start stacking these commissions or you can start stacking this income one right on top of the other and start earning some passive income. The cool thing about everything that I've mentioned today is that the income is passive. You set this up once, and as long as you keep the content on the internet, you can get paid again and again and again. Now that you know the 4 best ways to make money without a job, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free ebook called the Unemployed Handbook. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.